In BNP AI, you can turn any image into a video using the Video tool. Just go to the Video tab. In the Input section, select Single Frame. Now upload your image. You can either choose it from your history or upload it directly from your device. Then adjust the image visual settings. You can also add a prompt if needed. Pick a camera motion like push in, pull out, bird's eye glide, or pan across. Now you can also set the duration and resolution as needed. Now click on Generate, and your image will come to life as a smooth animated video. You can also create a transition between two frames. Select two frame in the Input section. You can choose both frames from history or upload them from your device. Now upload your first frame as the starting frame, and then upload your second frame as the ending frame. In the prompt, you can describe the transition. For example, architectural transition, front view to top down. Make any final adjustments if needed, then click on Generate. And BNP AI will create a seamless transition between both scenes.